In this video, we're going to look at how you create projects in Scrivener for iPad and how you add files and folders to them. The first screen that displays when you launch Scrivener is the project screen. Here you can access an interactive tutorial, which is a great way to get to know the app. In the sidebar on the left, you see the binder, just like in the desktop version of Scrivener, where your project files are organized. Scrivener projects contain 3 special folders. The draft folder holds the majority of files you write. Documents in this folder can be compiled into a single manuscript whenever you want. The research folder stores all kinds of documents that you use for research, including media files. And the trash holds anything you remove from your project until you empty the trash to delete it permanently. To create a new project, tap the plus icon or tap Create Project, then name the project. The draft folder contains a blank, untitled document for you to start working with. Tap anywhere in the editor pane on the right of the screen to bring up the cursor and keyboard, and you're ready to start writing. I'm recording most of this screencast on an iPad with an external keyboard, so you won't see the on-screen keyboard a lot. If you use an external keyboard, it's a lot like working with a laptop. If not, you may find it easier to turn your iPad and work in portrait mode so the keyboard doesn't take up so much space. When you've finished writing, tap Done in the top right. If you work in portrait mode, tap the name of your project or swipe from the left of the screen to go back to the binder. If you want to return to the project screen at any time, tap the arrow in the top left or swipe from the left edge of the screen. You can see that your new project appears as an icon on the right, as well as in the projects list on the left. You can add files and folders to your project to flesh it out. To create a new document, tap the plus symbol in the top right of the editor or at the bottom right of the binder. Scrivener prompts you to give the document a title and synopsis, but you can leave these blank and add them later if you like. The new document appears in the binder and opens in the editor, ready for you to write in. To add a new folder to your project, tap the New Folder icon. Tap the plus symbol to add another new file. You can continue building your project like this, either before you start writing if you have an outline, or as you progress. To name or rename a file or folder, tap and hold the item and the inspector displays. See our video about the inspector and corkboard to learn more. Get Scrivener for iPad and iPhone from the App Store.